Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You've set up the basics. Now start growing watch hours by planning a clear content loop. First, audit which videos already hold viewers and which drop off. Then create a 30-day upload plan that mixes one long video and several supporting pieces. This creates viewing sessions. Prioritize videos in the 8 to 20-minute range because they can accumulate more watch time per view. Once done, build themed playlists so viewers naturally watch multiple videos in one session and increase total hours. Now focus on execution. You must capture attention immediately, open with a strong hook in the first 10 to 30 seconds and promise one clear benefit. Make it easy to keep watching. Add chapters, timestamps, cards, and thoughtful end screens so viewers flow into the next clip. Optimize metadata, title, thumbnail, and description for intent and clear value so search and recommendations favor your content. Once viewers arrive, designs that minimize friction and suggest the next watch will multiply your accumulated hours. Finish by treating growth as continuous testing. You should check analytics weekly for watch time, average view duration, and session starts. Use those signals to scale winning formats and topics. When you find a high performer, replicate its structure and promote it in playlists and collaborations to multiply hours. If progress stalls, troubleshoot retention, re-edit the opening 30 seconds, a /B thumbnail and title, and watch the audience retention heat map. Make small, data-driven changes. Repeated iterations drive steady watch hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.